HSBC has more than doubled half-year profits, paving the way for the return of a dividend payout. A pre-tax profit came in at a better-than-expected $10.8 billion. The bottom line was boosted by a recovering global economy and lower provisioning for potential bad loans. HSBC had to suspend dividend payouts last year to preserve cash during the pandemic, but it has now released $700 million that had been set aside as provisions. The bank plans to pay 7 cents a share as interim dividend and has signaled higher payouts in the future. It says given the brighter outlook globally, the bank now expects the credit losses to be below its medium-term forecast of 0.3 to 0.4% of loans. HSBC shares in Hong Kong rose by more than 3% in trade today before paring those gains to close about 0.9% higher. In London, it is a touch above water. One analyst tells us that a dividend payout didn't quite meet expectations.
I'll say it's a turnaround for HSBC. Not only HSBC, but every single European banks or US banks and everywhere else. When you talk about its quarterly or the first half earnings, actually it's much better than most of the analysts' expectation. And moreover, they finally declared a dividend. But you can see its share price pull back quite significantly after the result announcement in the afternoon today, mainly because of the expected dividend may be slightly lower than market expectation. Finally, they declare like 7 cents US dollars, but market expectation may be more like 10 cents. But in the longer term, I think the bank itself in a much better shape than before, overcome the pandemic, and also like most of their business profitable. You can say all regions are profitable now, including US and UK and also Middle East. So they're actually in a better shape. And I would expect their earnings will continue to grow. I don't really see so much downside for HSBC after these interim result announcement. And I expect no matter the provision, right back, and also their revenue growth and also interest margin will improve, not significantly, but gradually improve in the next 1 and 2 quarters.